Hey you guys, thank you for joining me on a new episode of Food and the Single Guy. I am still your very own AMARU. Now on this episode of Food and the Single Guy, I am going to try to please all of my vegan and vegetarian friends once again. Because on this episode of Food and the Single Guy, I am going to make some tofu fajitas, alright? I'm gonna list all the ingredients in the information box below the video for your convenience. So without further ado, let us continue. Okay guys, so what I have here is my fried tofu. And in the interest of time, I have omitted to show you how I cut it, how I slice it, how I fry it. If you want to see how I do that, please go to episode 62, the Thai green curry tofu recipe that I did and that I uploaded here on the channel. What I'm going to do next, I am going to slice these in half and turn them into tofu fajitas. And there we have our delicious tofu fajitas. They have a slight crisp to them. And what we're gonna do next, we are going to cook these with the rest of the ingredients. But before we do that, we will first heat some olive oil in a pan, just like this. And now I'm gonna turn on the cooker hood, so bear with me. So now we're gonna saute the onions. So as you can see, my onions have taken on some color. I am now going to add a little bit of garlic powder. I'm also going to add a little bit of black pepper to mine. Just like this. And next what I'm going to add, some chopped scallions. And the scallions are added for flavor, but most of all for color. So next what I'm going to add is the fajita mix. And a droplet of water. Now what I have here is a mix of sweet corn, chickpeas, white beans, red kidney beans, and lima beans. We're gonna add that to the pan. And give it a nice stir. Now we're going to add another droplet of water because the beans soak up all the liquid. So about 4 of these spoonfuls. And we're going to allow this to simmer on low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so the beans have been simmering for a good 7 minutes. What I'm gonna add next is the tofu. There we go. And we're simply going to mix the tofu in. Just like that. And be gentle, you guys. Don't manhandle the tofu. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover the pan and I'm going to allow this to simmer for an additional 3 to 4 minutes. Okay guys, before we assemble the burrito, we are first going to warm up our tortilla. Just like this. And you want to do this on both sides for about a couple of seconds. Alright you guys, let's assemble this bad boy. We will be adding some of our delicious mix. Just like that. Of course, we're going to garnish this with some purple onion because color makes everything beautiful. And speaking of color, we're going to add some tomato. And of course, we're going to add some finely sliced iceberg lettuce. Now, depending on your own taste, you may or may not add a little bit of garlic sauce. Just like this. And now we are going to try to roll up this baby. Just like so. And we're gonna secure this with a toothpick. And there you have it, you guys. I can tell you that my tofu fajita burrito was the freaking delicious. Now, before I go, I want to interest you in one of these t-shirts because these come from my online t-shirt store, originally designed by yours truly. Please visit the link that I posted in the information box below the video if you're interested. And keep in mind that oftentimes we have promotions such as free shipping or buy two get one free, that sort of thing, all right? So if you're interested, link posted below. Enough with the plugging. Now, let me take this opportunity to thank you for watching yet another one of my videos. I really don't take it for granted because everybody's busy, I get it. And also, I don't take your subscription for granted. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, if you decide to try these tofu fajita burritos, let me know how they turn out because you know I'm always interested in hearing from you. In the meantime, do be well, take care, happy cooking, happy eating. Don't add crazy to the craziness, and I will see you when I see you. Have a good one, you guys. Bye.